Hey, hi everyone. My name is Firdaus. I am pursuing my BTech at Daitu Madhusudana Shastri Sri Venkateswara Hindu College of Engineering, Majlipatnam. We are team OptiCrop and today we are presenting our project titled Smart Agricultural Production Optimization Engine. Our project uses machine learning to recommend the most suitable based on soil, nutrition and environmental conditions, helping farmers improve productivity and adopt sustainable farming practices. Now let us understand the problem statement. Select the right crop is the one of the biggest challenges faced by farmers. Incorrect crop selection can lead to poor yields, financial losses, and inefficient use of natural resources. Our solution address the problem using data-driven crop recommendations. Now I'll open VS Code. Okay. Now I'll run my application. Yeah, it will generate one link. Now I click on this link. You can see the home page. Yeah. After clicking the predict button, machine learning model analyze the inputs and recommendations most suitable crop. Now I'll give the input. Yeah. Yeah. After that, click on predict based crop. The result page displays the recommendation crops, helping farmers make informed agriculture decisions. This is the process is simple and fast, user friendly. Our system can be used by farmers, agriculture researchers, government agencies, agriculture extension officers, policymakers, future enhancement. Yeah, coming to conclusion, OptiCrop provides intelligent crop recommendation using machine learning, helping improve productivity, reduce resource wastage, and promote sustainable agriculture. Thank you for watching our presentation. We welcome your question and feedback. Yeah, thank you.